HTC, the company that bought us the VIVE headset, have released the latest iteration. It's called the VIVE Pro, and instead of replacing the VIVE you can buy today, HTC plans to sell it separately as an upgrade for those who need something a little better. With a new look, new sounds, new sights and pretty much new everything, there's a lot to talk about, so let's jump in. While the main body may look passingly familiar, the actual HMD is very different. Sporting two cameras on the front much like the Windows mixed reality headsets and a new matte blue finish, the VIVE Pro is an altogether sturdier looking machine. Unlike mixed reality headsets, these cameras aren't for tracking the world around you. Instead, HTC is opening these cameras to developers for things like augmented reality integration and VIVE apps. The updated design created a better weight balance across your head, making the strap that surrounds your head much bulkier, and with the inbuilt headphones and new adjuster you can feel the size difference in your hand, but not the weight. Unlike the original deluxe audio strap add-on for the HTC VIVE, this new strap makes the headset feel like one solid piece with fully articulated parts you can adjust to fit you perfectly. The VIVE Pro is also considerably lighter than the original HTC VIVE, and you can feel it as you move around. This weight difference will obviously be a much bigger deal as you go to use the headset for extended periods of time. The internal headphones boast an inline amplifier and integrated high-fidelity earphones, and the effect is quite dramatic. While not quite noise-canceling in the busy room at CES, the VIVE Pro manages to produce a pleasing sound and crisp audio from the other players in the game I played. I even got to try out a full racing simulation in a quieter corner of the hall, and the sound blew me away. Short of hundreds of dollars of in-ear buds, I can't see how the sound can be better. The VIVE Pro also has two mics to help with noise cancellation, and it is very noticeable. The person taking me through my demo was as clear to me as if he was standing in the same room talking over my left shoulder as he guided me round. I did find not being able to hear myself a trifle disconcerting. Hopefully there is a monitor function somewhere and I just missed it. The biggest selling point and the reason you may actually want this upgrade is the new resolution. The VIVE Pro now houses dual OLED displays with resolutions of 2880 by 1600, that's a 78% increase from the classic VIVE, with a new pixel density of 615p. These screens really do give you an amazing feeling. In all three of the demos I played, the visuals were stunning and I suffered none of the sickness you sometimes feel in low-res situations. Compared to the other HMDs I have tried, there really is no contest. Visually it blew me away.